Hello everyone, welcome to Vishnu IAS. Today we are going to see an interesting topic from your art and culture point of view. Okay, that is the handmade copy of a Stradivarius violin is made in India. Okay, this is from your yesterday's newspaper. Okay, very recent current affair by Vishnu IAS team. So today we will be discussing more about the Stradivarius violin which is made in India. So what is the news regarding that, and also more information on the Stradivarius violin, why it is so famous. Okay, violin entered the Indian musical culture during the India's colonial rule. Okay, through the colonial rulers itself. So Tanjavur quartet, Tanjavur quartet were the four brothers. Okay, this Tanjavur, who we refer as Tanjavur quartet as four brothers, Chinnaya, Ponnaya, Shivanandam, and Vadivelu. These people lived during the early 19th century and they contribute to the development of Bharatanatyam and the Carnatic music. Okay, these brothers were employed in the courts of the Maratha king Sarfoji II at Tanjavur. And you should know another important person. He's Muthuswami Dikshidhar. He was a legendary composer of Indian classical music, and he is one among the musical trinity of Carnatic music. Three persons are considered as a musical trinity of Carnatic music. So one is the Muthuswami Dikshidhar, and other two are the Tyagaraja and Shyama Sastri. This Muthuswami Dikshidhar's brother is this Balaswami Dikshidhar. Balaswami Dikshidhar and Vadivelu, okay, are the persons who were pioneers in adopting the violin into the as the instrument for the Carnatic music. Okay, so the violin came into India through the colonial rulers, and the Tanjavur quartet, who they contribute to the development of Bharatanatyam and Carnatic music. So from them, Balaswami Dikshidhar and Vadivelu were the pioneers in adopting the violin for the violin as the instrument for the Carnatic music. But the thing is, how to design a handmade violin remained a mystery for centuries. Okay, so that is the key here. How to design a handmade violin remained a mystery for centuries. Okay, but now four craftsmen from India have achieved a milestone in creating the handmade copies of Stradivarius violin. Okay, so that is in the news recently. So let's see what is in the news. Okay, so in the news, four craftsmen from India, three from Kerala, and one from Tamil Nadu made the handmade copies of the Stradivarius violin. They made the handmade copies of Stradivarius violin. So these persons, okay, who are these four persons are Murali and Vinay Murali. They are father and son duo from Chendamangalam in Kerala, and KP Ranjit from Kannamangalam in Tamil Nadu, and the violinist Satya Narayana from Chennai. Okay, they become the qualified craftsmen. Okay, who designed or who made the handmade copies of the Stradivarius violin. Okay, they were taught by internationally renowned luthier. That means maker of stringed instruments. Okay, so we have other string instruments. You should know about this extra point also. So the string instruments are named as Taravatya. That is instruments belonging to Taravatya are, that is the string instruments are, okay, one is violin. Okay, another is Kamaicha. Kamaicha is in string instrument which is used in Western Rajasthan and practiced by a group of people called Manganayar. Okay, and another is Ektara. It is also one string musical instrument. It is used for the ball music in West Bengal. Okay, this is extra point that you should know. How we can expect any kind of questions in your UPSC. So you have to know some extra points. These four craft persons were trained by or taught by the internationally renowned luthier. His name is James Wimmer of Santa Barbara. James Wimmer learnt this art from Wolfgang Hubel in Germany, okay, from Wolfgang Goebel in Germany. This person is one of the foremost specialist. Okay, and we should know what is the speciality of handmade violin is. It is because of the it's a superior tonal quality of the violin. Okay, so in India this violin is made from teak or jackwood and jackfruit wood, and in western countries it is made up of maple or spruce wood. These four craft persons completing their learning in the series of workshops titled Violin Wise. Okay, this workshop's titled Violin Wise. Okay, the first workshop which is held in 2013, then it is followed by 2015, 16, and 18, and 45-day workshop held in 2019. This four craft person learned every aspect of creating the handmade violin. Okay, so they now have created the handmade copies of the famous Stradivarius violin, and they said that it takes 2.5 months to complete making an instrument, and which cost nearly 1.5 lakhs. And Mr. Satyanarayana have mentioned that if the government extended their helping hand in importing the raw materials for this violin manufacture, India can export handmade violins also. Okay, so that is the news which came yesterday. Let's see more about the Stradivarius violin. So, what is so famous in the Stradivarius violin is a violinist built, okay, Italian violin maker. His name is Antonio Stradivari. Okay, he lived between 1644 to 1737. He built violins. Okay, have a special mystic in the classical music world. Okay, actually they are very expensive. In 2011, an anonymous buyer had recorded, we have a record that in 2011 nearly 15.9 million worth, okay, violin was bought by a buyer. This violin was named as the Lady Blunt after the Lady Annie Blunt, who was the previous owner of the violin, which was considered by experts to be the second best preserved Stradivarius creations. Okay, so actually this violin is very famous. Actually musicians and scientists are still searching what makes this Stradivarius special. There are many theories that tend to focus on different features of the violin, and there are various other theories that tend to focus on varnish. Maybe because of that this Stradivarius, it may have some secret ingredient, but the chemical analysis in 2000s they said that there is nothing unusual about the composition of the varnish in the Stradivari violin. Okay, another line of inquiry, it focuses on the wood used for manufacturing. Okay, so that is also there. So what kind of wood they use for the manufacturing of violin also is responsible for making this as a special violin. Okay, so let's see few of the um, theories which have been proposed over years. Okay, let's see a few of the theories proposed over the years, and this man in the picture is the very famous uh, violin maker, Italian violin maker, Antonio Stradivari. The first violin, the first theory about this Stradivarius violin is one is the size of F holes. Uh, a study by the academics of MIT, they have suggested that secret of the Stradivarius violin sound is that size of the F holes on the front of the violin. Okay, the more elongated these holes, the more sound an instrument can produce. So he made F holes longer and narrower than the previous instrument. So that is why the instruments are making more sound. Okay, more sound. That is this theory was given by MIT. Okay, so here how the structure or the size of the F holes during 10th century, 12th to 13th century, and 13th century, 15th to 16th century, 16th to 17th century, and 16th to 18th century. So this is how the size of F holes were. Okay, and next theory is about the shape. Okay, so what they said is Stradivari experimented with different shapes of his violins. So even he making some of the violins, some of which were much longer. So, and this one is a picture of beautiful Kriparani Potter violin. Okay, so he gave different shapes for his violin. So that is what the another theory speaks about. And next is the varnish. So what they have told is, as I told, they have said that they came up with the exact recipe. That is, the varnish is made up of a mixture of oil resin, and some cases a red pigment. Okay, so it may be a reason. And next is about the beautiful designs. Okay, so this picture is an example of the beautiful designs made in the Stradivarius. That is the Mishaya Strad. It has an intricate carving on its tail piece. Okay, you can see the tail. Okay, this picture you can find. So intricate carving on the tailpiece. So it might not be directly contribute to the sound, but it looks amazing, right? So it is looking very beautiful. So this makes the Stradivarius violin a famous one. So one such kind of view is also there. Next is the mystery ingredient. So what is that mystery ingredient is? What they said is, they may the mystery ingredient to the wood they use, that is, and even they make the wood from the ancient churches, giving their instruments an inimitable sound. So it may be a mystery ingredient. There may be any mystery ingredient in making the instrument. And next, but not the least one, that is, it is whatever may be the debate about the dimensions or whatever it is all about the genius who made it. Okay, so while people were discussing on the or debating on the how the designs were there, how the dimensions were there, and how the ingredients, everything, when they were discussing all about this Stradivari violin is one of the best in the world. And there is one thing we can be sure is that it is because of the man who created this Stradivarius violin. It is because of the genius. Okay, and next is the imperfections. Even some people are telling that Stradivarius are far from perfect. In fact, a particular person, his name is Dr. Franco Zanini, he argued that what makes a strad is its tiny imperfections. So maybe because of that tiny imperfections, it may sound louder, and it is making it a special one. So there are so many debates regarding and the theories regarding this speciality of Stradivarius violin, so which was a mystery for so long years. So how to design a handmade violin, which was a mystery, but this handmade copy of the Stradivarius violin is now made in India by our 4 Indian craftsmen. So that was the news. So you should know about Stradivarius violin and why it came in news. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel and like this video. Don't forget, and also share it to your friends and join our Telegram channel to get info about the daily current affairs. Thank you.